welcome to another reaction vlog. This time we're going to hear another reaction from Zhou Shen, another video of the Zhou Shen. This has been recommended to us as well for quite some time already. We have plenty on the list for Zhou Shen. Thank you so much. Special shout out to Lin Ngoyan. Thank you so much for your awesome recommendation. So push the doorbell.
Alright.
There we go. Zhou Shen.
Beautiful as always.
Zhou Shen, even if Zhou Shen just whisper, is still so amazing, so beautiful sounds it in. And wow, what else we can say about his talents? We've seen him doing duet, dancing, wearing women's clothes while singing, but he still is.
He's just a super talented.
Yeah, multi-talented.
Let's just enjoy this song.
Let's carry on. Wow, it's like
always amazing. It's a shame this one doesn't have the subtitles, because I would really love to know what this song is about, but it's because it sounds a bit mysterious, mystical.
And his voice is so good on goosebump,
and emphasizing the theme and the mystical part of it. He's really good at that. So
yeah. By the way, as we all know that Zhou Shen study outside China, does Zhou Shen cover some English song, or if you have a footage that he's singing aside, even if it's a fan cam, or I know he sings sometimes on Instagram for the fans. If you have more videos of that, you can actually comment down below with the link, or send us to our MG fan club or Instagram. Let us know.
Really love that.
Yes. So click the subscribe button for us while you're here, and hit all the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upload. just like this one.
Could also be a song of James Bond. It could actually be a theme of a James Bond movie. It also has something like that. It has something mystical and then very grand, and it's.
Zhou Shen is. We are waiting for that.
Yeah.
Zhou Shen can really fit on singing a theme song for a James Bond movie.
Yeah,
you know?
for sure. He has the
mystical, dramatic, intense, all of it.
He has the voice for it. Also, his stature, he can deliver that. So that's for sure. So,
good.
Let's finish this song.
Yes.
What a voice. It's magical.
It's
and then in the last part you really hear that he has an opera education. You know, it's wow, so good. Love it. It's very amazing.
Very fascinating.
Yeah.
Goosebumps.
So if you like this video as much as we do, please give us a big thumbs up.
Share this video if you can and have a look on our Zhou Shen playlist and some of the artists on our reaction channel on this Meet Jacky. And yeah, click the join button for us as well while you're here so you can access on our channel memberships. We have our awesome perks with our customized emojis. You can use it on our premieres, live streams, or commenting down below. And if you're a member, you will have the MJ, means Meet Jacky, next on your name. Yes, MJ next to your name.
Alright.
So click that now and be part of our MJ reaction fan. Bye bye.
Thank you. Stay tuned.